This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 29M is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Kervel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, oven, TV antenna, TV, self-contained, water heater, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 29M is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Kervel's RV.